So, oh, it helps if I get closer, huh? Back there. So we are going to Animal Kingdom, and we're going to spend the day with John and his daughter and have some fun. And then we're going to a pin event. It's the Cinderella 70th anniversary pin event. I'm super excited. So watch out for an unboxing video. Hi Gianna! Happy birthday! Yay! We are gonna ride Everest!
You want to try this on the back? What am I holding?
4.
Down to the next cast member.
No, we said 4. I don't know. We said 4. Lame. 7.
Am I holding this too?
You can put that in the thing.
This monster I gotta do.
That's why I don't do that.
Just like this on the ride. Like,
You should.
for the picture.
You're hilarious.
For the picture.
It's a ghost train.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety.
Starbucks.
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Vigilen a sus niños.
We're sitting out here in the Coronado lobby-ish area. Say hi.
What up?
And we got our cookies. Look at that. Mine's vanilla. Ryan's is vanilla. I think Ryan.
Oh, mine. Let me
This
check.
you got a chocolate one, didn't you?
Yeah,
I think he got a chocolate.
There was a sugar cookie this time.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dude, look at that chocolate.
Yeah,
And
leftover
vanilla.
from Valentine's Day.
Yes, exactly. We've all got our pins. I got my pin bag full of pins. Right. Oh, look, he threw it out there. Ryan's got his pin. Hey, show your pin bag. It's way over there. His pin bag full of pins. And then we've got all of our Cinderella pins. And we're just hanging out. I'm gonna walk backwards. Run, run, run. We are headed into the event finally. Ryan's getting all his gear up. Gianna's ready to go.
Ready to go.
John's ready to go. You can't go that way. No cheating, husband.
Darn.
So we're gonna go have some pin trading fun, right?
That's right.
Right? Ryan's like, I'm not speaking.
Trading so much tonight. I'm following Ryan's.
I'm so gonna not trade. No, we're all gonna trade. Ryan actually brought a lanyard, so he might trade.
Yeah, a really good
You
stuff.
never know. Guys, so we are headed out. We're done for the night. I will have a segment in my next video of all the stuff that we got. This is going to be a separate vlog, and then I'll have all the pins in another one. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.